The blue tit is a small, vibrant bird, mainly recognized by its bright blue and yellow plumage. Native to Europe and parts of Western Asia, it's a common sight in gardens and woodlands. These birds are known for their acrobatic skills, often hanging upside down on branches while foraging for food. Blue tits primarily feed on insects, especially caterpillars, but they also enjoy seeds and nuts. During the breeding season, they often seek out nesting holes in trees or even use garden nest boxes. Their striking appearance includes a blue cap, white cheeks, and a greenish-yellow belly, making them easily distinguishable from other birds. In winter, blue tits form flocks with other tit species, creating a social and dynamic group. Their cheerful, high-pitched songs and calls add a lively ambience to gardens and forests. Blue tits have a fascinating habit of milk bottle raiding in certain areas, pecking through milk bottle caps to drink the cream. Their adaptability to diverse environments, from dense forests to urban areas, showcases their resilience and versatility.